Welcome back. Former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and freedom fighter Madan Mohan Malaviya will be honoured with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. The announcement coincides with Vajpayee's birthday on December 25th, which the government has already declared as Good Governance Day. It also marks the 153rd birth anniversary of Malaviya.
Today we are very happy to know that the Bharat Ratna has been decided to be conferred on Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Madan Mohan Malaviya. People of this country loved Atalji like anything, and he still continues to be our inspiration forever. And that's why Atalji changed the whole political idiom in the country. He presented a model of good governance. And we all are inspired by his eloquence, and this is one decision which will be lauded world over. The same is true about late Madan Mohan Malaviya ji, because he did pioneering work in northern India in the field of education. He was an active social leader, education leader, and also a political leader.
Modi government's Good Governance Day has invited controversy in the state. Congress has questioned minority ministers and the MLAs for being mum on the union government's decision, which allegedly dilutes Christmas holiday. Congress former MLA Agnello Fernandez says that message will be circulated by the Catholic clergy during midnight mass on the Modi government's decision. CM says Christmas is a public holiday.
In the mass, in the midnight mass, whatever message is to be given to the Catholic, I think the clergy will give the message tonight.
And what is surprising me is that some ministers and MLAs who belong to the minority committee, who belong to the Christianity, they are silent on this. Have these people become so handicapped? इतले dependent झाला तुम्ही सत्तेक.
However, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar says Goa will celebrate Christmas and it's a public holiday.
The government has compulsory
अटलजीच्या जन्मदिसाचे एक निमित्त करून ख्रिश्चन बांधवांक थोडेशें दूख दिवप हो प्रकार बरोबर न्ही. म्हाका तरी आवडूना आनी म्हाका हे अशें जर करता आसत म्हजी पार्टी जाल्यार त्या पक्षान आशिल्ल्याचो सुद्दां म्हाका शरम दिसता, लज दिसता.
Meanwhile, Congress has demanded resignation of Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar for drastic fall in foreign tourists in Goa.
We would like to demand that the government reduce these taxes. And since this year there is no business, I demand that the government refund their fees like they have done for the mining dependent.
It is high time this government has to think, otherwise this tourism minister should go.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.